हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. Sleep wake cycle and menstrual cycle are maintained by. In this question, the key concept is hormones. Basically, if we talk about hormones, these are the chemical messengers that are directly transferred into the bloodstream to perform various functions like growth, metabolism, and various other physiological process. And this process is very much slow as compared to the electrical messengers. So basically these are the hormones. Now question में हमसे कहा गया है that sleep wake cycle and menstrual cycle are maintained by a progesterone. So progesterone is a hormone that is actually responsible in maintaining pregnancy, yani it is a pregnancy maintaining hormone. If we talk about melatonin, what is melatonin and how? Melatonin is a hormone, and basically it is actually responsible in maintaining sleep wake cycle, and also sleep wake cycle, and also the menstrual cycle. So if we talk about melatonin, so how is if we talk about menstrual cycle, so how it regulates menstrual cycle? So when it comes to menstrual cycle, so what does it do? Basically this hormone exerts an inhibitory effect on GN, that is gonadotropin releasing हार्मोन के ऊपर. ये एक इनहिबिटरी इफेक्ट शो करते हैं जिससे उनका सेक्रीशन कम हो जाता है, and it is implicated in the control of pubertal onset. It basically controls the pubertal onset or puberty onset and the timing of ovulation. So, and if we talk about the sleep wake cycle, so basically this hormone which is secreted by pineal gland, it basically what does it do? It increases its secretion, like melatonin का जो secretion है वो increase हो जाता है at night. It basically increases at night, यानी इन लो लाइट में ये क्या होता है, इंक्रीज हो जाता है और इंड्यूस करता है फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस दैट प्रमोट्स स्लीप. अगर इसका सेक्रीशन हाई लाइट में है तो वो लेस होगा, यानी डे टाइम में कम होता है, नाइट के टाइम ज्यादा होता है. दिस इज हाउ इट मेंटेन्स बेसिकली द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल एंड द स्लीप वेक साइकिल. तो यहाँ पे हमारा करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा मेलेटोनिन. ऑक्सीटोसिन जो होता है इट इज अ हार्मोन विच इज एक्चुअली secreted by posterior pituitary, एंड इट इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हार्मोन. यानी ये क्या कॉज करता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस कॉज करता है ड्यूरिंग द parturition and also the lactation. If we talk about MSH, it is a melanocyte stimulating hormone that releases melanin. So basically हमारा करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, ऑप्शन B is the right answer. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.